welcome back to Bougie Doll Life. Today we'll be shopping for my reborn toddler at the Family Dollar. So they had a lot of clearance in the kids section. I was able to find some things. The kids section was kind of small, but they did have some good gems here. I was looking at mainly the girl clothes because you guys know I have two little girlies, and I thought that was so cute, that Winnie the Pooh outfit. And I was just looking through the clothes. They had really good deals. That's probably why the clothes were so low, because they're probably cleaning out the clothes to put in new fall clothes. But yeah, they have really cute onesies. Look at this Baby Yoda onesie, so cute. Flamingos, all types of cute stuff. The butterflies, I absolutely love butterflies. And I was just looking through all the onesies. They had this striped one, blue, and then they had like boy stuff with a hat, Jurassic Park. Then they had a lot of Winnie the Pooh, which I thought was so adorable, with a bib. It was really so much fun just shopping for these little ones, and I found some really cool items. So let's go ahead and go home so I can show you guys everything that I got. Okay, so I'm back. And we went to Family Dollar and we got some clothes for little Lyric right here. If you guys haven't seen her unboxing, I will link it in the description box down below. So Lyric, let's show the clothes you got, okay? So let's show the first item that we got. So the first item we got was $2. Was it $2? Yeah, it was $2 from the Family Dollar. It was this little baby fat outfit. And you guys remember baby fat? That's so old. This looks kind of big because it is 24 months. She's 3 to 6 months, but I'm going to shrink this because guess how much I paid? I paid $2 for this. So I was like, I can't miss out on this opportunity. I will shrink this. It's so cute. I couldn't miss out on this. And she's going to look like a early 2000s baby, okay? So this is super cute, and it has little tiny little cheetah prints and stripes and buttons on the legs, and it has a little headband with a bow, and it's all one piece, and it's so cute, and it's long sleeve. So I'm thinking about just washing it and drying it and shrinking it up. It's super cute. If you guys have any advice on how to shrink clothes, let me know in the comments down below, because I'm not familiar with shrinking clothes, because usually you wash clothes not to shrink it. But let me know in the comments down below if you know a way to shrink the clothes for the reborn dolls. So next item that we got from Family Dollar, we got this cheetah print pajamas. And this one is a 3 to 6 months, and it has the little cheetah feet, and it has pink around the arms and the neck. And this one I paid $2, I believe. Yeah, $2 for this. It's so cute. She's gonna look so adorable with this. Cannot wait. Are you excited, Mama?
Yes, I am. Yes, I am.
All right, so I got this. I thought it was so cute. And it's the brand Onesies. And then next, we found this dinosaur set. It's a 12 months, but I thought it looked kind of small, so I was like, hey, maybe I could put it on her and try it on, and it'll fit pretty good. It was originally $5, but it was on sale for $3.50, and it's the brand Kidgets right there, and it's a 12-month. So this is so cute. I love the little dinosaurs. It gives me like a 90s feel, and I think it'll be really cute on her. So I think it'll look really cute, and I can't wait to try this on her. So the final thing that we got for little Lyric, and this made me so happy. When I got this, I thought it was the cutest thing, and I can't wait to put this on her. I'm actually going to put this on her right now. So I got her this Baby Yoda little girl set pajamas, and look at the feet. It has little Baby Yodas on the feet, and it has ruffling going up the middle. And it's the Star Wars brand, and it's the size 3 to 6 months. Perfect fit for her. And I cannot wait to put this on her, because this is what I'm going to do for her now. I'm going to do her hair. Oh, speaking of her hair, I found on Amazon. I've been shopping for a lot of hair supplies for Lyric, because she has a lot of hair, and I love doing doll's hair. So I ended up picking up this bead case from Amazon, and it has also stuff to make bracelets as well, so I can use the beads for her hair, and we can make little bracelets for them with their name on it. And I thought this would be so cute. So it has the beads right here for the hair, and then in the back you can see you can even make bracelets. So we're all gonna make bracelets with our name on it, and I'm so excited to work on this and make them little tiny bracelets. Like, that'd be so cute. Let me know if you guys done this, and is this so much fun? I haven't done this in years, so I'm super excited to do little bracelets for the two little girls. So yeah, and myself. So I'm going to link this down below if you're interested in this, and it's on Amazon. So that is it for my haul. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram if you don't already do at Bougie Doll Life. And I'll see you in the next video. Say bye, Lyric.
Bye.